Hello, welcome to EtherAuthority. In this video, we will show you how easily and quickly you can deploy your ERC20 token smart contract. Almost zero cost. Basically, you have to only pay for the gas, but apart from that, there is no any other cost. So let's get started. First, go to the remix.ethereum.org. Here we'll be deploying the token smart contract. And to get the smart contract code, go to Google and type EtherAuthority Smart Contracts Library. EtherAuthority Smart Contract Library, click on that. Here you can go to the ERC20 and click on this ERC20 code file. As you can see, the token smart contract is pretty simple and straightforward. It is just importing the smart contract from OpenZeppelin, and here they are just minting to the contract creator. There is no any other function. Very simple, straightforward smart contract code. Copy that, come back to our IDE, go to this section called contracts. You can also use some of the files here, or you can create a new file. Click on new file. Let's say, for example, type the name test.sol. You have to write the sol extension. Okay, you can put any other name in the test, but at the end you have to put .sol. Enter. Paste your code here, the one we copied it. So the code is pretty simple and straightforward. You don't have to change anything in here unless you want to make any changes. Otherwise, this will work completely fine. Just go to this section called Solidity Compiler. If you don't see these options here, then you have to enable that from the plugin manager. See this button here, plugin manager. Just search here for compile and it will show up here. Okay, so if you don't see these options, you have to search it from plugin manager. You also need this plugin as well, deploy and run transaction. Users can also do deploy. You can search, it will show up here. All right. You also want one more for flattener because you want to verify the smart contract in Etherscan to make sure the smart contract is secure and is in integrity. Therefore, you have to verify in Block Explorer. For that, we have to flatten. It's not really necessary, but because we are importing the smart contract from OpenZeppelin and it requires the code flattening, therefore we need this plugin. Just activate that. Okay, once you're done, come to the first step called compiler. Click on compile button. It will automatically take the latest version, but you might have to adjust this depending on when you are deploying the smart contract. So once the smart contract is compiled, then click on this option, deploy. Select here MetaMask, injected provider. Here you can deploy this smart contract in any network, in Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, in Polygon, any network. All you have to do is make sure that network is there in the MetaMask. At the moment, for testing purpose, I just using Binance Smart Chain testnet. You can put any network. So leave everything as it is. By the way, before you going to the run this section, let's flatten the code. Go to the flattener and here click on this flatten.sol file. It's a flatten contract copied to clipboard, and then save. Click on that. So it will basically save to another file. Just accept that. Alright, so basically it's saved to the flatten code to the file they created test_flat.sol. Alright, so once that is done, then go to the section called deploy and run transaction. Make sure you are also selecting here the MetaMask and leave everything as it is. Okay, because I don't see it here because I have to just deploy it, compile it again. So just click on compile. Just ignore these things because they are saying that the warning identifier not provided in the file. You may ignore this, or you can just put this identifier there. Let's say some of them might thinking, oh, I don't want any kind of error. So you just have to put this identifier. Just how to do this. Just have to put this line here, which is SPDX license identifier unlicensed, or you can make it MIT, whatever, depending on whatever you need. And click on compile again and see everything is gone. Once it is successfully compiled, go to the deploy and run transactions. make sure MetaMask is connected, everything is good. Select the correct smart contract, which in our case is the token. You can change it, the brand name, but you can keep it as it is, that doesn't matter. In this deploy button, if you can expand this, it will open up the section to enter your token name. So for this demonstration, I put test token. You can put your own token correct name, okay? Make sure you don't make mistakes. And the token symbol and also total supply. Let's say I want to mint 1 million, so I put 1 million. No need to put in the decimal, just put the whole amount, the final amount that you want your total supply to be, and then click on transact. It's a insufficient fund. Just a second. Let me change the transact. Confirm. That's it. Congratulations. You deploy your first smart contract. If you can click on the prompt, it will take you to the block explorer, and as you can see, the smart contract has been created. Alright, so as you can see, test token, test, and everything is here. If you can go to the previous page and refresh it a couple of times, it will also show after like a few seconds this menu of the token has been created and be sent to this wallet, which is the one smart contract creator. Alright, so the smart contract has been created. Now I'll quickly show you how you can verify it as well. So go to the contract tab, verify and publish, select Solidity single file, compiler version, whichever you have put. Okay, at the moment I put 0.15, so I'm using this. You might be compiling with another version, you have to make sure you are putting that one. I can put any license, MIT, whatever, then continue. Then I have to put all the source code, just copy all the source code, copy, paste. Alright, and that's it. It will take like 30 seconds. There you go. So you successfully verified the smart contract. If you can go to the, click on the smart contract address, it will see here green tick mark, and the code has been verified here. Here everything is open, transparent, and public, so anybody can just verify the smart contract is secure and bug free and perfect. So this is how you can deploy your very own token smart contract. So thank you so much, and if you have any question, you can always reach out to us, or if you are watching this video on YouTube, then make sure you can ask your question in the comment below. Thank you so much.